Creating a walkthrough in Revit can feel confusing at first. Most beginners struggles with camera paths, speed issues, and awkward movements. Hello learners, welcome back to ARCHI Tools. In this video, we will discuss how you can create a walkthrough and how you will be able to export that walkthrough into a simple video. Let's get started. If I show you the 3D, this is one of the sample projects, and let's say you want to create a walkthrough, and as you can see, the site is a little bit sloped from below. Let's say you want to create a walkthrough where you start from this point and you have to go till inside this house. So for that, we'll go to the site view, because in that view we will be able to look our overall site area. So here, after going into this plan, I have to create my walkthrough. So for creating a walkthrough, you can either go to this drop down and select this walkthrough option, or you can go into view option. Let me double click it like this. Yes, so you can go into this view icon over here, and in the 3D view, you can find this option of walkthrough. If I select this, so this is now in walkthrough mode, and you have to begin providing your points of movement for the walkthrough. So first of all, I'll start from here. So I'll click on my pointer, and as you can see, once I have clicked, it is asking for my next pointer. One point is already fixed. So, and the arrows which you can see is the visual direction in which the walkthrough will be set. We can adjust it afterwards, but for now, we'll just focus on the movement. So our next movement will be like this somewhat, and we'll go a little bit above. So since you already know that this is a slope site, and you might need to have the height of the eye person to be a little bit above as we move ahead. So let's just go ahead and change the offset now. Currently it was set as 1750. Now I'll change it to 2100, let's say, like this, and we'll again continue the placement like this. And after, once you have provided your walkthrough and you are satisfied with your position, or your end-to-end points are just completed, just click on finish walkthrough. Now you have provided your walkthrough, but you want to edit it, obviously. So I'll just quickly go to my walkthroughs in the project browser. Icon, the category of walkthroughs will appear. Just click on plus icon over here, and once you click on this, your walkthrough view will appear, and this view would be the last view of the walkthrough which you have created. Just quickly go through this edit walkthrough, and this is the 300th frame. So if you click on frame 1, it will come to the starting frame. So since we didn't had anything in the frame 1, that's why it is not showing anything. If I select on let's say 30, so a little bit visual has started showing up. So that's how the process works. So for editing the walkthroughs, firstly, I will just click this close and active views. First of all, I just want this view to be open. So I'll click this one and just close all the visible windows. After that, I'll quickly go to my site plan, and here I will cut a section which will have the view of the walkthrough. So I'll just cut through a section like this. Perfect. And I'll just select this and go to the sectional view over here. So this is my sectional view, and this is my site view which I would require, and this is my walkthrough. Now for editing the walkthrough, I would like to have all the views in a single window. If you have two screens, that is well and good, but in case you have only one screen and you want to view the other tabs simultaneously, you can just go to the view and hit this tile views option. And the shortcut for that is WT. You can either use the shortcut key for that. Once you hit this tile views, your tabs will appear in the same window. Now you can just increase your visual tab if you want to have like this, and you can set your windows like this. Now you will be able to see your section, plan, as well as your walkthrough view. Now I'll begin editing the walkthrough. So for that, just go into the walkthrough tab and select this crop region. After that, edit walkthrough option would appear. Just click on that. Now you can, as you can see, the we have category of frame and keyframe, and you can just move ahead or you can just move back, and your frames would adjust to the frames, keyframes below over here. So what is the difference between keyframe and frame? So the points which you had provided initially for the path, that are keyframes, and the keyframes are subdivided into a number of frames. Currently it is set to 200. You can also edit it to your desired number, let's say 300. You can keep it like this, and the total number of keyframes would be subdivided into 300 frames now. And this is the frames per second which you can adjust. Based on that, total time would be adjusted. You can also set your uniform, whether you want a uniform speed or not, or you can just change the uniform speed. So I'll quickly go to OK, and now I'll go to the edit option. So once you select the path, this editing option would appear. So as you can see, the camera is showing over here. So this is my active camera right now. If I want to go to my initial camera over here, so for that I would go to my previous frame keyframe by clicking from here. So as you can see, after clicking on this several times, I have gone to my initial frame. And once I have gone to this, you can find this icon over here. So this is the for the direction of my view. I can rotate it as per my requirement, and I can place it by dragging it. So as you can see, my extended is up till here only, and because of that I am not able to see the after building of the site. So for that, I will go to my extent and just untick this far clip active option over here, and you are now able to see your extended part as well. I'll go to my next keyframe by selecting this, and you can also set it as per your requirement. Now let's say you don't want to adjust your active camera, you want to adjust your path. So just go into the drop down of controls and select this path icon. Now pointers will appear for your keyframe, and you can adjust your path like this. Once you are done, just go to your active camera again, and you can begin editing your cameras now. Just click on edit walkthrough to go to the next frame, next keyframe like this, and you can rotate it. Just go to the next keyframe like this and rotate it. So this is the way you are able to set your path. Now, if I go to my section and view the path is currently going like this. And here is a transition space where I have changed the height. Let's say this height needs to be a little bit above. So for that, I'll just quickly go click on this next keyframe so I can go to this point, and after I've selected this, then I can change my height. So for changing the height, I'll go over here and click on this reset camera so I can drag it. So for changing the height, just go to the edit walkthrough, and in this edit walkthrough. So for changing the height, just click on this frame on this, and just go to the controls. Just go to the active camera and select path, and you can also adjust your path in section as well, like this, and hit the OK button once you are done. You can also rotate its direction from section as well, like as we have done for the from the plans. You can adjust it. Just go to the next frame like this, and this icon is appeared. Just select this and drag it to above or below as you like it. So I'll move the path a little bit below because it is going very much up like this. And just the, let's say this one has been done. So this icon is not proper. So I'll just move the path a little bit below and I'll set my direction like this. I want it to be looking below like this. I'll go to my next keyframe and move it a little bit below like this. Next keyframe, make it a little bit below like this. So once I'm done, just hit the play key to see how it is working. So before hitting to the play key, just go to the initial frame, click on one, and then hit the play key. So the path would appear. Okay, so I should have clicked on the walkthrough tab before hitting on the play. Oh, if you want to have it in your walkthrough, just hit the play key, and now you can see your walkthrough like this. Cool. Once you are happy with the export and you want to download it as a video, just go into the file option and here go to export. So I have to search for the video option. You have to go on this drop down icon till you get images and animations option. Just click on this and you would find walkthrough option over here. Just click on that. After that, it will ask for all the settings required in the video, whether you want to have all the frames or you want a specific range frame, then you can set it. I'll keep it all frames for now. And what will be the frames per second? If you want your total time, and you currently, if I have 15 frames per second, total time taken is 20 seconds. And if I reduce it, you can see the time is increasing. So based on that, you can adjust it. I'll keep at 15. And the next thing is the visual style. You can choose any visual style which you like. For my um, quick render, I can choose this as consistent color instead of rendering. And just the dimensions are according to the crop region which is made. You can adjust this also. Let's keep it at 600, and this will be automatically get adjusted, so both things are in a proportion. So if I keep at 400, you can do it, and your zoom is 100%, that is fine. And if you want to include the time and date stamp, you can also do it. I'll not include this, and I press on OK. Just provide a name and save it. Next, it will ask for the compressor type. You can use the compatible compressor type. This one is fine for me. I'll choose this one and just hit the export option. And that's how you create and export a professional walkthrough in Revit. If you want smoother animations, better lighting, and faster rendering workflows, I'll be creating a complete Revit visualization series on this channel. Stay tuned. If this helped you, hit the like, it really supports the channel, and subscribe to ARCHI Tools for practical, office level Revit workflows, not just basic tutorials. See you in the next video.